शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते.
Good morning dear students. कैलाश चंद्र पंडा इंग्लिश प्रांत प्रमुख शिक्षा विकास समिति ओडिशा welcomes you to a new revision class. In this class we will discuss some important questions and their answers from the first and second paragraph of the topic A Letter to God. Before coming to the questions, we will just know the substance of the two paragraphs in a nutshell. Lincoln was a Mexican farmer who lived in a small valley without any neighbor. His house was on the top of a low hill. There was a river flowing nearby. There were some patches of cornfields near his house. The ripe corn and the flowers of his field promised a good harvest, provided a good rain. So throughout the morning, Lincoln looked at the sky towards the northeast for rain. Seeing some patches of promising cloud in the northeast sky, Lincoln predicted a good rain and reported it to his wife, who was preparing supper. His wife said, "If God wills, everything will be alright." At that time, the older boys of Lincoln were working in the field and smaller ones were playing near the house. Lincoln's wife now called them for dinner. While having meal, Lincoln saw big drops of rain falling from the sky. He became so happy that he went out to have the pleasure of feeling rain on his body. After having a good drench, he returned home and exclaimed that the raindrops were new coins, the big drops were 10 cent piece, and the small ones were 5s. Now students, let's discuss some important questions from your examination point of view. In our prose, we will get some questions for which we have to write the answers in a word or phrase. So let's discuss the first question. The first one is, who was Lincoln? An easy question for you. Can you guess its answer? The answer will be, Lincoln was a small farmer. But remember, you have to write only a small farmer. Now the second question. Where did Lincoln live? It is an important question. And its answer is in a valley. Lincoln lived in a valley. But you have to write only in a valley. Let's move to the third question. Where was Lincoln's house? The answer will be on the crest of a low hill. Here crest means top. You can also write on the top of a hillock. On the crest of a hillock or on the top of a hillock. Now let's discuss the fourth question. What was Lincoln's cornfield full of wheat? Can you say what the answer will be? It will be ripe corn and promising flowers. Ripe corns and dotted with flowers. Dotted with flowers, that is the promising flowers. the flowers that promised a good harvest. Now the next question. What did Linko's ripe cornfield promise? Can you guess what the answer will be? It is a good harvest. Now let's move to the sixth question. What did the earth need for a good harvest? It is an important question. The answer will be a downpour or at least a shower. A downpour means a heavy rain or shower means a little fall of rain. Now come to the next question. What did Linko do throughout the morning? The answer is look at the sky towards the northeast. Next. Now we are really going to get some water omen. Who does the omen refer to? Who does the omen refer to? The answer is Linko's wife. Let's move to the next question. What was Linko's wife doing when he reported her about his prediction of rain? The answer is preparing supper. Linko's wife was preparing supper, but you have to write only preparing supper. The next question. Yes, God willing. Whose person is this? That means who told this? The answer will be Linko's wife. The next question. What were Linko's older sons doing before dinner? Is the answer? It is they were working in the field. But you have to write working in the field. Next question. What were Linko's smaller sons doing before dinner? The answer is playing near the house. Now come to the next question. What had Linko predicted before dinner? Is the answer a good rain. A good rain. Looking at the northeast sky, some promising patches of cloud in the sky, he had predicted a good rain. Now next question. What was the air like when it started to rain? The answer is fresh and sweet. Fresh and sweet. The next question. Which is most important for you? Why did Linko go out when it started to rain? The answer is to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. The last question of the paragraph. What did Linko compare the raindrops to? The answer is new coins. Linko exclaimed that the raindrops are actually not raindrops but the new coins. The answer will be new coins. So students, next time we will discuss about the remaining part of the topic, paragraph wise. Till then, goodbye, stay blessed.